Good morning students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Today I will teach you how to write the small letters below the capital letters in correct sequence. So let's start. Now students, you can see here, first of all I am going to write the capital letters H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now students, I will write respective small letters against the above mentioned capital letters. Okay. So see, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and it's done. I hope you all have learned it very well and don't forget to practice at your home. Thank you.